Alrighty, good morning. This is your last video. Your last video. A few things I would like for you to check. So make sure you listen to this video, please. You want your game to play as smoothly as this game. I want you to use this as reference, okay? E-chalk. I believe I gave this to you, but if I didn't, I think I'll put it inside the video that I'm gonna put in YouTube, so that way you guys have a link to it, so you guys can compare it. Okay, I would like for you guys to compare your game to this game. All right, it's got to be smooth. It's got to be able to move across space very, very, very smoothly. Okay. You want to test your game out in full screen mode, so make sure you guys maximize. Okay, you want to play maximized when you hit play. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hit play right here. Things I'm going to look for. Okay, I want the ship as soon as it loads up. Hello. All right, so you want your ship to turn smoothly. If I hit those arrows, it should come on. Sound needs to be there, of course. All right. Destroyed. Good. Okay. I'm looking for that screen wrapping on the asteroids. Needs to be smooth also. Okay. Your ship screen wrapping obviously has to be smooth. Okay. Quick transition. Everybody see that? Okay. I don't want no lag. I don't want no delay. I don't want you to blame anything on, oh, it's the screen. Dude, you've had so much time on this. Okay. Fixed all the quirks. Most of y'all sat around and played games. You should have perfected this game, okay? You had a lot of time, a lot of makeup days, okay? Especially for those of you that were behind. Okay, once all the asteroids are gone, then I should get more asteroids. All right, smooth transition. Got to give me a level. You got to give me score. You got to give me points. You got to give me the lives. Okay? Some of the challenges I made to y'all. Some of the challenges I gave y'all were to screen wrap. If you wanted to screen wrap, that's fine. Okay? I got no problem with that. Okay? I have to fix that number. Okay? So, yeah. Play maximize. Make sure you test it out. Okay? So, what are we going to do? Well, I'm going to fix a few things because I didn't like how many asteroids came in. So, I'm going to change my number. If you're curious, stick around. All right. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply this instead of by 2. I'm going to go ahead and multiply by 1. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and undo this. All right. So, now it'll be asteroids plus plus. What happened here? Not sure what happened there. All right. Again, I'm changing this number to 1, and I am undoing this right here. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and test it out, and I'll get back to you guys. All right. So that works a lot better. Okay. So now we're going to go ahead and save it. Full HD. Okay. Play maximize. Make sure everything works smoothly. Work out the kinks. You got today and tomorrow to work out the kinks. Okay. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add a background. I've already had some backgrounds in here, so I'm going to go ahead and just check those off so you guys can see what it looks like. Let me see what else I got here. I got that. I got that. I got that. And I got a background. Okay. All right. So that's my background. Pretty cool. I think I got my backgrounds off of, I don't know. It was one of these that I grabbed. Special stuff, I believe. I don't know. Pixelat. Nope, that wasn't it. I think I typed in space background and I just downloaded the package. I don't remember what package it was, guys. So don't quote me on that. I was looking for it right now, but no, I don't see it. Let me see where else I can look real quick. I know some of you may be interested in it. So package manager. Let me see what I've downloaded. My assets should be in here. No, no, no. Maybe I'm not signed in. I don't know. Maybe I got to restart my computer. Hold on. Let me save this file. Save. Okay. Unity package code. Okay. So yeah, it's having an issue. So I got to restart my system. I've had this on for a while. So let me come back to you. All right. So while you guys are waiting for me, go ahead and create two folders, two new folders. First one is going to be Asteroids. What happened there? Okay. Asteroids Web GL. Okay, because that's the way we're going to save it. And the second folder is going to be second folder. We're going to name it Asteroids PC. Okay, Asteroid PC and Asteroid Web GL. Okay. All right. Oops. Meant to do that. All right. WebGL. Then Asteroids PC. All right. So now that we have that taken care of, I'm going to show you two ways to save it. One, this is the one that you're going to be able to turn in, the WebGL. It's going to go into your Unity Play Store. Okay. And that's one where, that's the one you're going to be submitting. Okay. So we're going to go here, File, Build Settings. All right. You want to make sure your Start menu is up on top and it is checked off. Up on top and it is checked off. It needs to be the first one up here. Okay. The next thing we need to do is make sure we are on WebGL. Once we are on WebGL, we're going to make it switch platforms. All right, so if you get this error, no big deal. All right, it's trying to fix itself down here, as you can see. And if you don't see this, just click it one time, and then you should start seeing that. Okay. So I'm going to let that finish up. All right, once it's done, it should go away, and you should be able to see the build and run. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to build. Okay. So let's go ahead and click on build. It's going to ask us, hey, where do you want to build this at? Well, we created those folders. This one's a WebGL, so I want it to be building in there. So I'm going to select that folder, and that's where it's going to do. It's going to build my project in there. Okay? All right, so once the game builds, it's going to kick you back over to this window here. What you want to do is right-click this window that you built, okay, or that folder that you built, and you want to compress it. Okay, so you got to go to Send to, Compress. All right, and it's going to compress it here. The one that you're going to turn in is the one with the zipper. Now, what I mean by turn in, you have to go to the Unity Play Store, okay, or your Play Store. I'm going to go to my Play Store. I got to log in and everything. Again, just a reminder, this took approximately 10 minutes, so don't be trying to build 5 minutes before the period ends. You're not going to have time. This is not due till tomorrow, so you got all day in the period tomorrow to turn it in, except, again, 5 minutes prior to that, all right? So now that I have a folder that has a zipper on it, which is my compressed folder, also known as a zipped file. All right, I can go ahead and close this out. I can minimize this because we're going to come back to this in a minute. I am going to go to my Unity file. So I'm going to do a Unity Play search. Should be this one right here. Once you load up, make sure you are full screen. If you are not full screen, you are not going to see this up arrow. Make sure you log in. Okay. All right, so now I'm logged in. As you can see, my initials are here. So I am going to upload a game. I'm going to upload a file. I'm going to go to my desktop and I'm going to select the one that is zipped. While it's doing that, I'm going to name it. You can name it whatever you want. Make sure it has your name on it at least. That'd be smart. Okay. And once that is done, you should be able to save it. Okay. Once it is saved, you want to grab this share code. Okay. Or you can grab that. It's up to you. I just grab the share code. Copy it. And submit it. Okay. So you're going to go to submit your project. You're going to hit the submission button that's probably located over here. It's going to bring you to that window that has 3 options. And one of those options, I believe, is create. So go ahead and paste it there, and I will take a look at it and give you the proper grade. There is a rubric for this, so make sure before you build all that stuff, you take a look at that rubric. Okay. That is it for now. I will go ahead and create another video for you PC people that want to share with the PC. All right. This concludes my video for now. Good luck and see you next week.